Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon whipped cream. It's 3 ingredients, super easy. I've been loving it lately. I've been making banana bread and popping it on top as a spread. I've been making homemade scones and popping it on top as a spread. It's just a lovely whipped cream, a lovely kind of frosting. You could pop it on top of cakes. You could really just enjoy it as a mousse if you want to. So many ways to enjoy it, and I've written the recipe down below so you can click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more yummy videos, and comment to let me know the next dessert you want me to come up with. I just love experimenting with desserts, and lately I'm obsessed with all things lemon, so I'm going to show you how to make this lovely lemon whipped cream now. We're going to start by pouring a cup of cream into a bowl, and then we're going to whisk it using electric whisk until it just starts to thicken. There you go, it's getting nice and thickened, but we want to add in the stevia and lemon and then thicken it up some more. So I'm going to start by adding in my stevia. It is up to you how much you want to add. You can go for a couple of tablespoons or even a quarter of a cup or more, just depends how sweet you want it. I'm going to go for 2 tablespoons. We like it quite lemony, but just the perfect sweetness. So I'm going to give that just a little whisk through. Go, and we'll add in the lemon now. So now for the lemon, it's up to you how much you'd like to use. I like to go for the full rind and the full juice, and what I've done is I've given it a little wash. It's good to kind of give it a little roll. It just helps release all the juices inside when we're ready to pop the juice in. But I'm just going to use a small grater and grate all the rind. But again, you can do half or whole, up to you. Get all the rind and kind of stop when you get to the pith so you don't get any bitterness in. And that's perfect, and now we'll add the juice. And we'll squeeze the juice over a sieve to catch any pips. And again, you can use half or whole lemon, depends what you want. We like it really lemony, so I will go all the juice. And now we'll whisk that in. And it is done. Look at that beautiful whipped cream. Now you could pop it into a piping bag and pipe rounds of it. It's beautiful and it's whipped, and you can use it straight away, or you can pop it in the fridge and it kind of hardens a bit and thickens a little bit more, but it's perfect now, and you could use it on top of a cake or on scones or muffins, or even on top of pancakes or waffles would be incredible. But I'll list all the ideas in the blog post down below. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know what you think of this lovely dessert. It smells pretty amazing and tastes incredible too. And I've got some banana bread I made, and that is what I'm gonna do with my lovely lemon whipped cream. I'm going to pop it on top of some banana bread and have it as a beautiful morning sweet treat today. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.